I was gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Today I'm going to show you how I made $350 in options trading in just 2 days. So before we get into that, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. And here we have the live alert chat room where I call out all my stocks, options, investing alerts, completely free to join. And you can get that on the mobile, tablet, computer, whatever device you're using. You can join by clicking over here or in the link in the description. We also have our social media here, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. On Twitter I do have the alerts on there. Some of them are from the chat room. And we also have the Robinhood referral link over here. If you click that and join Robinhood as a new user, we both get a free stock. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you my trades that I took. So these were my overnight trades from yesterday. I took QLD, AMD, UDOW, and SPXL. I bought all of these in the money and a couple bucks below the current or strike price. And first one, we're going to take a look at QLD. So looking at the markets overall, they are down. So I wanted to capture that quick swing trade, reversal play, whatever you want to call it. Basically, when the markets drop like that, next day, people are recovering from the short sellers and they're covering their short, and the market's going to be slightly recovering the next day. So I just want to capture that quick strategy over there. So first one, let's take a look at QLD. I look at the 180-day chart when I'm doing swing trading, and I saw that it was very oversold over here. RSI was below 30 and MACD was also in the deep red, so I want to capture that reversal play over there. So I got the 80 call for April 20th expiration date, and actually made a mistake on this because on these ones I was trying to get to June 15th, but I clicked the wrong one because I'm still new to option trading. I just got access on Robinhood yesterday, so I was in a hurry to buy these just because the markets were very low. So I got the QLD 80 call of April 20th expiration, and that was actually the second biggest winner that I had. Up 63 on that. The next one was UDOW. Let's take a look at that. So I saw that this was getting to the oversold region. MACD was in the red, so I got the same thing in the money on that one. And SPXL, I've been calling this out as a swing trade, so I wanted to do that on the options. Same goes with all of these. And let's look at the chart on that one. So this is also in the oversold region right there. You can see RSI is blue and MACD is also in the red, so I wanted to capture that on the low over there. So when you look at in depth on that one, first one, QLD, so here you can see my average cost was 5.4 for each contract. So basically you're paying $540 for each one, and I sold at 6.03. that means you're getting 603 for each one. I only bought one contract, so that was my profit on that one. Same thing goes for UDOW right over here. That's the total return, and also SPXL. So if you're looking at my percentage of return, the biggest one was on QLD over here. That was 11.67% return. So when you're capturing a trade when the markets are falling really big like this, and when they go back for that reversal, you're going to be getting really big percentage returns. So just keep that in mind if you are swing trading or investing, because that's a really good capture over there. And today I picked up two financial ones. My favorite is Bank of America, and Brian from the chat room was telling me about JPM, and also saw an article on how Warren Buffett actually regretted not buying JPM. So I wanted to take advantage of those two today, and I didn't sell these today due to the Robinhood PDT restriction that they have on the overnight buying and selling. So I bought these today, June 15 expiration, so it's a couple months out, and I bought them in the money, not deep in the money, but a couple options below. So Bank of America was 30 call and JPM was 105 June 15th. So you can see I'm up 90 on that one at JPM. I'm looking to sell these this week or keep them long term closer to the expiration, maybe into April, but we'll see how that goes tomorrow. If I get really good profit, then I'll sell them tomorrow. So looking at the chart, I also saw that this was really oversold and it's fluctuating around that 32 price. If we zoom in over here, you can see it's going up and down. It's consolidating at the 32 area, and it's gonna explode up soon. Same thing with JPM. Let's look at that. I like the growth on this one, and it's a nice swing trade opportunity over here. And these are all oversold. That's how I like to play my swing trades or investing. Whenever I add to my stocks, I look at when they're getting oversold region, take advantage of that quick swing play, or add on the dips. So overnight, that was I sold this a little more than that, so that was about 200 from overnight. In the morning, I took profits by 10 o'clock, and that was a little more than 200. And today on this, I'm up 135, so about 335, 350 on that one for the day. It was a little up or down, give or take, so I'm gonna call it 350 on that one, just because markets are up and down. I captured that at the high, so that was about 350 profits. I captured 200, and the rest I'll be taking tomorrow or later in the week, so it could be more. So that's basically how I'm going to be doing my options. I'm going to capture them on the low, sell them on the high, or I'll be doing long term. I'll hold them for a couple months, maybe a year. It's been really great with options. I never made this much with stocks, because I'm not even putting in like $1,000 for each one, and I'm getting more than 10% return. So say you take 10 of these and you pay $6,000, you're making $630. So that's just an idea of the leverage that you can get from options. I hope this video helped you out. It's just an example of how much you can make with options overnight or in long term compared to stocks. And if you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Let's push this up to 2,000 subscribers. That I'll be making more videos just like this. I'll show you my trades from Robinhood and the trades that I'm going to be looking for in the future. Alright guys, and last thing, I called out all the options alerts in the chat room. So you can see yesterday I called this out. Took this before 2 p.m. when the markets were really low. I called out where I took it, the expiration, and it's up to you what price you enter for the limit price, because it's really hard to say because it goes by every second. And today I said that I took profits, and I also picked up my Bank of America and JPM calls over here today. I called them out, and we also have other people calling them out. This is the main chat, and options, swing trading, long-term investing alerts are over there. So it's completely free to join the chat room, and you can join that by clicking this over or the link in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.